Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're finishing up a 3-car garage with baseboard, the apron, and we filled the expansion joints for a seamless surface. So we're in Wesley Chapel, Winding Ridge, which is a new development, or an ongoing development, I guess I should say. It's been here for a little while. So this is a full diamond grind, small repairs, sand and fill the expansion joints, full chip, polyspar top coat, written lifetime warranty. So on this job we did spend a lot of attention on the lead-in edge, which was really rough, had a lot of voids, and needed to be rounded over. Excuse me. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.